Hey everybody, this is Blue Hair Dave, and today we're going to discuss the pandemic. Is it destroying affiliate marketing? Is affiliate marketing dead? Is digital marketing dead? Find out. I've got the answers. With 13 years of experience, I've seen ups and I've seen downs, and I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on. Hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to teach you a whole lot of stuff following my journey through YouTube and presenting stuff, because I've been doing this for 13 years and I got a lot of stuff in my head I want to share and go. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the answer isn't so easy. Hit that subscribe button. There's a lot going on with digital marketing and affiliate marketing because everybody's just stuck in their house right now, and you might be worried about what the future holds. There's a huge amount of unemployment, but the one thing that's still going is affiliate marketing. Now, is it harder or is it easier? That's probably what you're wondering. And there's a lot of changes that you're going to need to know about, and I'm going to go over them right now. Okay, first of all, why listen to me? If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Blue Hair Dave. My last name is Giovacchini. I've been an affiliate marketer for over 13 years, a super affiliate. I have a 2 Comma Club award. I won an AFI award. I was nominated for one before that, when that's like Affiliate of the Year kind of award from Affiliate Summit. With over 4,000 people in attendance when I got my award. I'm a featured public speaker. I do this all around the country. I've been an Affiliate Summit Advisory Board member and founder of the BHD plan for digital marketing. So I like to do a lot of stuff. I like to travel, I like to float on things. Enough about me. Let's jump right in, okay? So there's a lot of changes that we need to know about. So basically, there's a lot more people at home right now. So there's a lot more people online, which is great, right? Awesome, that is good, okay? But the problem is trust is down right now. Opens are up in your emails if you're doing email marketing, but purchases are actually down, okay? It depends on what item it is. Of course, if it's toilet paper, purchases are way up, right? But for a lot of things online, trust is down. So in good times, people are super stoked and they're more willing to buy things willy-nilly, a lot of extra things. And then when things get tough and you go, I don't know if I'm going to have a paycheck coming up in a month from now, then that's when people get a little bit tighter on their wallet or their purse strings, okay? And so they're less likely to buy something online or in a store, of course, because you can't really go to stores except for groceries. But this has a double-edged sword. A lot of big brands weren't sure what was going to go on, so they pulled their advertising budgets, and the CPM, the cost per impressions per thousand for like Facebook, YouTube, especially Facebook, they're down. Okay, so it's cheaper to advertise right now. So that's great news. Okay, and I'll talk about some other good things at the end of this towards a little bit later. And this isn't going to be too long. I'm just going to really hit the big points that are going on right now. But these are some of the good things. Just to recap, trust is down. Opens are up. People are at home. They're looking at things. They're online all day long, but they're not buying as much. They probably have a lot of different things to look at and decide upon, and they really are preferring trusted sources. Okay, so if you've got a brand in your company and they're familiar with you, you're probably going to have a really good time. You're going to have a harder time if you're just some random person reaching out. So branded items are going to do a little bit better right now, but it doesn't mean that your stuff is not going to do well. But more people are online, which is better for everybody in internet marketing, okay? The niches or verticals are changing right now. So refinance and financial leads were really big for the last couple months. When the refi rates had dumped, they got really low. But the problem is that if you're a refinance company, say you're Lower My Bills or somebody, don't sue me. Don't sue me. I'm just saying, for instance, as a guest, as a story made up. If you're a large place like Lower My Bills, do you need affiliate leads as much when the phone is ringing off the hook because interest rates were at their 50-year low? No, you probably don't. So that was a little bit of a problem. There was a big binge on refi leads, and man, I cashed in big time. I had some of my biggest hours and days in a while in refi lately just because of that. So I kind of turned a lot of my energy towards refi for a couple months, and it was huge, okay? So I have probably a couple videos on that and the YouTube channel, so hit subscribe to see all these videos. I'm gonna be plastering out videos, trying to do them every day. So go ahead and subscribe. Home services, there's a little bit of a slowdown, okay? And there's reasons for this, because the call centers might be having trouble taking all these calls. A lot of these offers you'll send traffic to, maybe it's like for, people want to get gutters on their house or something like that, or they want a home warranty, anything to do with the house. Because I know some of the stuff we did around our house here. I'm in the lair. This is my home office in lovely San Diego, and we just started cleaning out the garage, figuring what needs to be done. Oh, we got to fix the pool heater and a whole bunch of stuff before summer. And we started doing the honey-do list, and people want those things. But the thing is a lot of these places, if they have too many leads, believe it or not, too many, because the call centers aren't just sit there. Like, if there's a big building with 2,000 people taking calls in it, that place is having trouble right now, right? Because this is worldwide. So even if you have people in a different country, they might not have call center capabilities because those people might not even have internet in their houses except for their cell phones where the call center is. So call centers, so that's bad for affiliate marketing, you think, temporarily, but I'm going to show you how this all evens out in the end, okay? So survey offers, we're doing really well. And what happened is they've got usually a bunch of stuff. These people, here's how a survey offer works. Let me slow up here. It's an affiliate offer where, if you don't know, somebody gets asked to take a survey, give their opinion on something, and they're offered a reward at the end. It's usually a free trial of some sort. Maybe you get a tactical flashlight. I got one. You get a tactical flashlight. Where you been? You get one of these tactical flashlights for like shipping and handling for $6.95, and they're hoping that somebody buys 3 of them for a discounted price. And because these things used to cost a lot of money, and now they probably buy them for $2 from China. So they're having trouble getting these things again. All right, so they might have sold out of them, and these are the things they offer at the end of the survey. So they're having fulfillment problems. So now they're down to some other offers that aren't maybe converting as well as some survival stuff or whatever it is that these people sold out. So there's problems with the production end with affiliate marketing, just like any other business. Right? There's problems with shipping stuff. There's problems getting items in from overseas. Even inside the United States, there's shipping problems. Amazon is delayed in a lot of areas. E-com, same thing. Shipping problems, problems getting products. And if you're not a branded item, it's harder to sell your stuff right now. Doesn't mean you can't. It's just harder. But the other end of that is that the cost to advertise is lower. Okay? So debt leads, financial leads, same thing. They're a bit overwhelmed. Some of these guys have pulled some of their budgets down, okay? Their cap is what we call it, and it's basically how much they're going to spend on something. So they're like, all right, we have $1 million, we'll take $3 million of traffic from this network. And then when the 3 millions hit, they stop. They might have said, oh yeah, we're only taking $1 million this month. So by, like, say the 10th of the month, boom, there's no more cap, they don't want any more leads, they're good for the month. Stuff like that has occurred, is occurring because of the pandemic, right? But it's not all doom and gloom. I'll get to the good stuff. A big problem is, and this is a big one, payments, okay? Are we worried about getting our payments from our companies, okay? If you're a Google affiliate or you're doing Google ads and stuff like that, probably don't have to worry about it. But man, you wait like 45 days. And also what happens is advertisers are more likely to claim fraud on some traffic, even if it isn't, because they want to save their skins, right? Their hiney is stuck in this jam too, just like everybody else. And if they're going to choose between you getting paid and their family getting their mortgage paid, guess what they're going to do? They're going to find a way maybe to finagle some money with some shenanigans and all kinds of shrubberjudge in order to keep that money and maybe not pay. Now, maybe I'm just being paranoid, but I've been in this industry long enough to not get paid a whole bunch of times for BS reasons. You got to go to court, all the kinds of weird stuff. So these are big time problems. Not necessarily if you're just doing $300-400 a day, maybe not that much to worry about. Okay, and I get paid weekly for almost everything, so I'm not that worried about that. But if somebody says, hey, we got to take you from weekly and move you to every 2 weeks or every month, then I start worrying because I go, why? Okay, and this actually happened recently. I don't want to name any names, but some network had hold their affiliate payments without telling anybody. They set new terms up and made it kind of bi-weekly or more. I'm not saying any names here, but they're a big company. And then they didn't tell anybody that, and then they were late making those payments, and then they divided those payments up into 2 halves. Okay, and they said they were not having money problems, but what's the reason? Why would you want to not pay somebody on time? Okay, so that's a weird one, really weird. It's like shooting yourself in the foot to not get shot in the foot. It's strange. The best way to kill your affiliate network is to be late on a payment, okay? Because we're gonna find that offer at 3 other networks that pay the same exact amount, and we're gonna move our traffic over to who's paying us on time and every week, right? So enough said about this. Another problem is chargebacks are huge right now from companies. So consumers might have ordered something and it's like a monthly and they're paying $49 every month or whatever. And then they went through all their bills and they go, oh, I forgot all about this. And then they say, charge back. I need that money back. I don't want to spend it on here. I don't want to spend the $199 anymore. I don't want this, whatever it is, subscription. They start charging back. So chargebacks, from what I hear on the street, are going way up. And if those chargebacks goes up, those advertisers' profits get eaten away. What happens if those profits get eaten away? Are they going to pay that network on time? They might not have the money to pay that network on time. So the network has a choice. Do they go out of business and fold, or do they pay the publishers? So it's a bad situation. So it's something you need to worry about and think about, and it's worst case scenario, and it's paranoia, but I've seen it happen before. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your planning. Now, affiliate marketing also has the benefit of being able to adjust, and I'll get into that in a second. So it's a give and take for whether the pandemic is affecting affiliate marketing. Now, ClickBank, for instance, big boy, one of the big boys on the block for all kinds of make money online stuff and diet stuff. They might have problems with diet stuff, and they pay pretty quickly, right? But make money online probably isn't going to have the same amount of exposure. In fact, my own, like with my course and everything like that, I've had a huge spike in people inquiring and signing up and all that kind of stuff. And now I have a boutique one, so I'm not really super guide to the masses, really. I don't do super ton amount of advertising or anything like that for on the course because I like to actually individually help people myself in the course, and I can't do that if I have 10,000 people joining a month or even 1,000 people joining a month, right? So I like to keep it smaller, but I've seen a big, huge uptake in that because a lot of people are out of work. If you're a bartender, a server, you're out of work, you've always wanted to do something on the internet, and now you got 2 months sitting at home, you might as well learn internet marketing. Maybe that's why you're here watching this video, or maybe you're somebody who's already jumped in to affiliate marketing or working from home and you want to learn more. Check out my videos and subscribe. And I'm sharing everything in my head in these videos in a fun, energetic way that's not super stuffy either. I hope you'll notice. So ClickBank, I don't think has that much exposure to this, but payments are something you got to worry about, right? Now, good stuff. There's a lot more people online like we're talking about. Now, we know that the CPMs are down, the costs are down. So another thing that's happening is diet and fitness is going through the roof. People are looking for ways to exercise. Home exercise equipment sales went like this. It went boom. Chicken wings and home exercise equipment went super up. There was a Yelp article that I saw the other day, and it was basically saying which businesses have way more traffic and which ones are down. So breweries were right? And then chicken wings and workout equipment, way up, okay? Online fitness, way up. Diet pills, way up. All these things, because people were sitting around, and if you're just like me, maybe you're a little nervous and you start to eat that extra dessert, you're like, screw it, the world's ending, I'm just gonna eat all the dessert. And you watch your Netflix and you eat your popcorn and put butter on it, whatever. People are feeling down and groggy. They can't get out and exercise. So health, fitness, stuff is going way up. So it's a big bright spot. But that's affiliate marketing, right? You get to choose what you advertise. Once you know how to advertise something, what you're going to advertise, it doesn't really matter because you use the same techniques. You just got to switch the messaging in it to fit the audience that you want. And I'm going to put a video up on that too, so subscribe, and I'll put a video up on messaging. By the way, I look at the comments, okay? I look at the comments and people ask me for videos and I'll put them up. I will make a video. What else am I going to do? My stuff's all automated. My affiliate marketing's all automated. I'll do some launches, check the stats, send out some emails. The rest of it is just, I'm here to make videos, man. Okay, so just ask me questions, subscribe to the channel, and I'll start creating them. Auto insurance is hanging in there. Really doing well with auto insurance right now. A lot of people are on to the tip that they might get a lower rate if they haven't been driving much lately. Well, most people, many to most, some are not driving nearly as much, right? So you're not putting the miles on the odometer, your insurance rate might be lower. People know this, auto insurance is a really hot offer right now too, okay? So the bottom line is about the pandemic and affiliate marketing and digital marketing things are changing, okay? This is affiliate marketing, and we always have changes. Things always change. The only constant is that there's always chaos. And with chaos brings opportunity, okay? Sometimes the chaos is fizzle chaos, everyday life, and sometimes it goes boosh, and we don't know what the heck hit us. But as affiliate marketers, we're used to reinventing our business model or at least our niche or vertical or what we're going after, our product, all the time. We're flexible. We're like the wolf out there, okay? We're not this big elephant that's lumbering about like old businesses, brick and mortar. No, we're out there hunting, okay? And it's to our ability that we're it's like we're cockroaches, right? So we can survive anything. We just need to put our focus to the right niche, the right product, because you know how to sell things. And if you don't know how to sell things, watch my videos, okay? Pubs are the last things that networks want to mess around with non-payments. Pubs being publishers, affiliates, people that send the traffic, right? So I don't think you have to worry about the non-payment, because that'll put a network out of business. They'll get a bad reputation, and then their stuff will drop, and then they really have cash problems, okay? Remain flexible, okay? And you'll get paid. Find the right offers. Just separate your traffic between different vendors, because some of them, if there is a problem, maybe you've got the same offer, but you find it at 3 different networks, maybe divvy it up at 3 different networks. And that way, if somebody sketches on the payment, and this does happen when you do pretty big numbers, then at least you're not losing all of your income right away all at the same time, right? So the answer is no, the pandemic is not killing affiliate marketing. In fact, it's very strong right now. And if you stuck to the end of this video, I'm going to ask you, please subscribe to my channel to learn more. All those things I mentioned here, I can make videos about them. I'm going to be putting up videos of what I have in my head, the knowledge I have, the stuff that I give talks about. And I love sharing it. So hit subscribe, I'll answer the comments. And I get a lot of emails from people who used to be interested and wish they'd done this earlier as far as affiliate marketing goes. So if you're on the fence about whether you want to start affiliate marketing, or do you really want to go head deep into it or learn a different form of it, where it's lead capture, collecting emails, and then email marketing, Facebook ads, any of that stuff, I'm here for you. Go ahead and hit me up in the comments, or subscribe to the channel. You know how to get a hold of me. Find me on Facebook, okay? There's always something to promote, and you aren't stuck with what you always do. Maybe what you do is good and it makes a lot of money. You should always be testing different products, different niches, different verticals, okay guys? So there's a lot of changes you need to know about, and I'm gonna keep you updated on them on my channel, so go ahead, hit subscribe. I love talking to you guys. This is Blue Hair Dave, and I hope to see you very soon in the future, and keep kicking ass. All right, take care, bye.